Crash course on India, local customs, city guides, hidden gems, and travel itineraries. Welcome to the vibrant tapestry of India, where ancient customs, bustling cities, hidden treasures, and immersive travel experiences converge to create an unforgettable journey. As you step into this diverse land, let's navigate through the cultural norms, explore must-visit cities, unearth hidden gems, and craft travel itineraries that will leave you enchanted. **** Local customs and etiquette, ***. India's cultural mosaic is adorned with unique customs and etiquette. The traditional greeting of Namaste, folding hands and bowing slightly, is a sign of respect. Removing your shoes before entering homes and religious sites is a common practice. Dress modestly, especially in conservative areas and religious places. When dining, use your right hand for eating. Engage in conversations about India's rich history, art, and traditions to forge deeper connections. Must visit cities and hidden gems, ***. Dive into the bustling streets of Delhi, where historic sites blend with modern marvels. Wander through the charming alleys of Varanasi, where spirituality dances along the Ganges River. Discover the serene beauty of Udaipur's lakes and palaces. Venture off the beaten path to find the hidden gem of Khajuraho, adorned with stunning ancient temples. ***. Travel tips and recommendations, ***. To savor local flavors, indulge in street food but be cautious about hygiene. Bargain while shopping in vibrant markets to strike the best deals. Utilize trains and buses for budget-friendly travel between cities. Embrace homestay and guest houses for an authentic experience and a chance to connect with locals. Don't forget to pack comfortable footwear and respect the local customs. ***. Day trips and excursions, ***. From Delhi, take a day trip to Agra to witness the magnificence of the Taj Mahal. Explore the serene Amber Fort from Jaipur. Embark on a spiritual journey to the sacred city of Amritsar from Chandigarh. Cross the border to Nepal from Gorakhpur for an enriching cultural contrast. ***. Top 12 attractions of local customs, city guides, hidden gem, and travel itineraries. 1. Taj Mahal, Agra, ***. A testament to love and exquisite architecture, a must-see monument. 2. Varanasi Ghats, ***. Witness spiritual rituals and ceremonies along the banks of the Ganges River. 3. Amber Fort, Jaipur, ***. Marvel at the grandeur of this historic fortress and its stunning architecture. 4. Khajuraho temples, ***. Admire the intricate sculptures that depict life, love, and divinity. 5. Udaipur's Lake Pichola, ***. Immerse yourself in the romantic allure of this city of lakes. 6. Delhi's historical landmarks, ***. Explore the contrasting worlds of Old Delhi and New Delhi. 7. Mumbai's Marine Drive, ***. Stroll along the iconic promenade and embrace the city's energy. 8. Rishikesh and Haridwar, ***. Experience spirituality and adventure by the holy Ganges River. 9. Jodhpur's Blue Streets, ***. Get lost in the captivating charm of the Blue City. 10. Kochi's Fort Kochi, ***. Uncover the fascinating blend of cultures in this historic town. 11. Ajanta and Ellora Caves, ***. Marvel at the ancient rock-cut cave temples and sculptures. 12. Sundarbans National Park, ***. Discover the mangrove forests and elusive Bengal tigers. Summarizing, India's rich tapestry of local customs, city explorations, hidden gems, and diverse travel itineraries offers a kaleidoscope of experiences. From the eternal beauty of the Taj Mahal to the spiritual aura of Varanasi, each encounter in India unveils a new layer of its captivating essence. Poem, In India's realm, where customs bloom. A diverse land, a vibrant room. Namaste's grace, a heartfelt start. Cultural threads that bind each heart. From Delhi's pulse to Varanasi's prayer. Udaipur's lakes, a tranquil lair. Hidden gems like Khajuraho's tale. In every step, a new detail. Taj Mahal's splendor, love's embrace. Amber's fort, time cannot erase. Jodhpur's blue, like skies above. India's wonders, a treasure trove. Landscapes vast, traditions wide. India's heart, where dreams collide. In every city, a story to tell. In every moment, a magic spell. Song. Verse 1. In India's land where cultures meet. A tapestry of customs sweet. Namaste, a greeting warm and kind. In every heart, a connection we find. Chorus. From Delhi's streets to Udaipur's grace. Hidden gems in every place. Taj Mahal's love, a timeless art. India's melody, a song of heart. Verse 2. Varanasi's ghats by Ganga's shore. A sacred journey, a spiritual door. Khajuraho's temples tell stories untold. In intricate sculptures, legends unfold. Chorus. From Mumbai's drive to the blue city's Hue. Jodhpur's charm, forever true. Amber Fort stands proud and tall. In India's embrace, we find it all. Bridge. Rishikesh's river, a calming flow. Kochi's fusion, a vibrant glow. Ajanta and Ellora, ancient and grand. Sundarban's tigers roam the land. Chorus. India's customs, cities, gems so rare. A symphony of sights to share. From dawn till dusk, in every part. India's melody, etched in the heart. Outro. So let's explore, let's take the flight. In India's beauty, we find our light. A journey rich, a vibrant art. India's song, forever in our heart. ****** Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html #aid = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for supporting our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here. ******.